Hi everyone, we're here for a little, I'm going to try the web effect. I just got this mold from Silicone Forms from Etsy, and I wanted to see what it would do with the web effect. I'm using J Diction Fast Cure Resin. I've mixed up 4 ounces. I put about 1 ounce each in these cups. In my first cup, I'm actually going to try a mica powder. I'm not really sure how much to use, but I'm just going to go with a little on the end of my stick. There's not much resin in there. Make sure it doesn't blow back up. So this may be too much, but I think it'll work. I did not let the resin warm up because it is fast cure resin and it's already super thick. Super thick and syrupy. All right, so there's that one. In my other cup, I'm doing my pea-sized drop of Resin Ocean White. That's just a guesstimation. I'm also putting a little bit of Magnolia Shimmer from Laura's Art Corner. And give that a good mix. With fast cure resin or thicker resins, you really do have to use more caution in your stirring. You can't go as like I normally do, the Wild Woman, because you'll introduce more bubbles. Fast cure is not my favorite resin to use. It is a good resin and it has its purposes. I just find it a little bit harder to work with, and I never need something to cure that fast, you know? So I just go the long way. All right, I am going to use piping bags. This is a small mold, and I'm not great at getting to the edges really well. At least in a line. Let's go ahead and get the mica powder one done too. I'm just getting these in the cups ready for me to use them. I'm going to do mica powder first. I was debating whether to do white first or the mica powder. Mica powder 1. I'm hoping I mixed up enough. I think I did. You don't really need too much of it to do this. I'm just going to go around the edge once. It should be plenty. Cut a little snip off. All right. Let's start here. And you see, I'm still not great at doing this, even with the piping bag. It's just not my forte. Oh, I even went up over the edge. You guys see that? With a piping bag. Let's give it one more go. I've got enough in here. Maybe it'll fix any of my bumpies. All right. Might need just a little bit here, I think. All right, that's all for the mica powder. Now our white. And this one, I'm still debating in my head. Do I do it next to the white or do I do it on the white and mica? The mica powder, sorry, on the mica powder. Let's go next to. I'm sure I'll get some of it on the mica powder because you know how I roll. I'm just going to go one more round. Just have a little bit left, and I do want to use it all, or most of it. I can use this for something else. All right. Now, pouring the rest of my resin in. It's thick, so it takes a little longer to pour out of the cup. I don't want to scrape the cup just in case I didn't mix it very well, and then parts of this won't cure properly. All right, I did have a little pink sherbet alcohol ink I was going to use, but I might use this Cool Perry. I always think it's very purple, but it's actually a blue purple. So let's just use that. It's very light, so I end up using a good bit of it, but I haven't really liked the centers being really dark for this effect. I poured it kind of funny, so I've got like a weird design in the center. So let's just give this it'll probably calm down on its own, but let's just get something going. I think that looks better. Probably will have no impact whatsoever because everything's going to cook together. All right, well, that's it for now. We'll come back when it's time to unmold this. Oh, I forgot. I was going to put some of these in the center. Should I do those? Let's do the blue. I just happen to have these sitting here. Not a lot, just a little bit. Doesn't even want to spread out well, it's so thick. That's all right. All right, now that is it. We'll come back when it's time to unmold. All right, we're back. I have to say, of all the backs I've had lately, this is the best. Even if I don't like the other side, I love this side. I mean, look at that. It is so cool. I'm almost afraid to unmold it because I'm afraid the other side won't be as gorgeous as this. We will see. We'll see. But I do absolutely adore that side. All right. The moment of truth. Oh my. I am so happy with this. Look at how absolutely gorgeous that is. The design is amazing. I definitely like that I did the mica powder on the outside, then the white. Dude, it is so cool. Just so cool. I hope the camera's kept capturing it. Thanks for watching.